Top 5 highest paid football player. Football, also known as soccer, is the most popular sport in the world. It is played by millions of people of all ages in countries around the globe, and it has a massive following of fans who are passionate about the sport. Professional football players are some of the most highly paid athletes in the world, and each year, their salaries continue to grow as the sport becomes increasingly popular. We will take a closer look at the top 5 highest paid football players in the world, including their biographies, yearly earnings, latest information as of 2022, club and manager name, and a brief introduction and conclusion. These players are some of the most talented and skilled individuals in the sport, and they have earned their place among the best of the best in the football world. Messi is an Argentine professional footballer who plays as a forward for Paris Saint-Germain and the Argentina national team. He has won numerous awards and is considered one of the greatest players of all time. In 2022, Messi's estimated earnings were around $130 million, making him the highest paid footballer in the world. Ronaldo is a Portuguese professional footballer who plays as a forward for Manchester United and the Portugal national team. He has won numerous awards and is also considered one of the greatest players of all time. In 2022, Ronaldo's estimated earnings were around $120 million. Neymar Jr. is a Brazilian professional footballer who plays as a forward for Paris Saint-Germain and the Brazil national team. He is known for his speed and technical ability on the field. In 2022, Neymar Jr.'s estimated earnings were around $95 million. Mbappe is a French professional footballer who plays as a forward for Paris Saint-Germain and the France national team. He is known for his speed and agility on the field and is considered one of the rising stars of football. In 2022, Mbappe's estimated earnings were around $45 million. Salah is an Egyptian professional footballer who plays as a forward for Liverpool and the Egypt national team. He is known for his speed and scoring ability on the field. In 2022, Salah's estimated earnings were around $35 million. In conclusion, these are the top 5 highest paid football players in the world as of 2022. They are all highly talented and skilled players who have made a significant impact in the sport. Their earnings reflect their success and popularity both on and off the field.